Hi everyone, welcome to Ola's Education's tutorial on how to create a Kahoot account. The first thing you're going to do is open up your preferred browser. In the search bar, I want you to write Kahoot register. Once you've done that, the first link that appears is the link that you're going to click. Once you click on Kahoot register, you will be brought to this web page. You will be asked to choose what type of account you want. Remember, you are going to click on student. You will then need to enter your date of birth. So I'm going to put a student's date of birth in here. Once I've done that, I will click on continue. It's time to create a username. You should have done the username lesson by now, so you're all experts at creating usernames. Remember, we will need letters and numbers when creating our username. I'm going to say red dog apples 1. Once I've created the username I like, I will click on continue. Adults, it's over to you. We will need to enter our email address. Once you've entered your email address, it will be back to the students. So remember we learned how to create a new password? Well, we're going to use our password making skills to create a new one for Kahoot. It should have letters that are big and small, numbers and symbols. Once you've figured out what you want your password to be and you've typed it in, don't press sign up yet. Make sure the adult next to you saves your username and password in the Note app in their phone to make sure you have somewhere where you can go get that password and username again. Now let's click on the sign up button. And congratulations, you have made your own Kahoot account.